As far as DIY for your bathroom, on a non-expensive, easy to achieve level, I would suggest few things. Maybe changing mirrors, changing bathroom hardware such as toilet tissue holder, towel bar, perhaps changing the shower curtain. Those are small things that will add a dramatically different look to your space. You can also paint, which it's a very large surface in a bathroom, all the walls and the ceilings, and add some drama, some dimension to it by painting it. Also, changing the light fixture will definitely change not only the potentially color of the light, but also the actual fixture. If you pair it up between the mirror and the light fixture, you really get a new look around the vanity. And then perhaps some matching towels, hand towels, and the bathroom towels, that would definitely make a big impact in your space. Good luck with your build.